Hi everybody. In today's video I'll be using Microsoft Excel 2010 to do a little bit of work with showing comments to a user or a little balloon, such as the one that's on the screen right now. This is a GenMed name. But what I'm going to be showing in this video is how to do this to where if the user is in sheet 2 and if they select sheet 1, the sheet that has the comments, that the dynamic interaction they'll get is that the comment will show up for about 5 seconds. And after about 5 seconds of being on the screen, they're going to disappear. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to set that up using your VBA programming, so that way it will be an automated process for the user. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing that you want to do is add the comments to where you want them to appear on your Excel document. So in this case, I have these two cells here. In case you're not familiar with setting up a comment, it's just using the Review tab. Select the cell that you'd like, click New Comment. We'll just put this is a test comment, resize it to your preference, and just click out of the box. Now in your Review tab, if you click Show All Comments, all the comments will appear. If you click it again, they disappear. They're still there, but you only have that little triangle indicator where the user must hover over for them to get the balloon. So now let's go to your Developer tab. I'm going to use the macro recorder. Click Record Macro, and I'm just going to put Show Comments, and I'm going to hit OK. So right now the macro recorder is recording. I'm going to go to the Review tab, click Show All Comments, and then I'm going to click it again just to do a quick show and hide. Go to my Developer tab and click Stop Recording. I'm going to go to my macros and click Edit. So here I'm just going to use the code that Excel created. This one right here has the comment and indicator, so I'm just going to put a note. This shows the comment, and then indicator only shows indicator. And this is the code that we're going to use. We'll be working with sheet 1. So go to your Visual Basic under Developer, click Visual Basic. I'm going to pick sheet 1. And on the top left where it says General, click Worksheet. We don't want to work with selection change. The one that we want to work with is Activate. This is when the sheet is activated. So we're going to put the code in here. We're not going to play it just yet, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So to show you where we're at so far, I'm just going to do a message box test and show you what this does. If I'm in sheet 2 or sheet 3 and then I activate sheet 1, we get the message box that says test. So we want to replace this code, put like a 5-second delay, and then put the code to show the comment and then hide it. Well, to show the comment first, 5-second delay, and then hide. So I'm going to click OK here. And so let's first start with the pause. We'll do start of procedure equals timer. And the timer is just giving us a computer time. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop. And we're going to wait until the timer right now minus the start of procedure is greater than or equal to 5 seconds. And we're just going to do message box test. So let's try this out. I'm going to click sheet 2 and I'm going to go to sheet 1. So far nothing's happened, but as we wait 5 seconds, we should get a message box, and there you go. There it says test. So now what you can do in Visual Basic is you can change this 5 to however many seconds you'd like. And let's go ahead and set up the comments. So the first thing that we want to do is show the user the comments when they open up the sheet. And then we're going to wait 5 seconds. And then the next thing that we're going to do is take off the comments. What you can do to prevent any kind of errors, because your user might get off the sheet, we'll put if active sheet dot name does not equal to sheet 1, then exit sub. I'm going to put that in the loop, and I'm also going to put that outside the loop. And let's just go on and try the code out now. I'm going to select sheet 2, and now we're going to select sheet 1. So now the comments are showing. If we count up to 5 seconds, the comments disappear. So now I'm going to do a little testing to see if there's any errors. I'm going to select sheet 3, sheet 1, so the comments are there, and I'm going to go back to sheet 2, and I'm going to see if I get any kind of errors. We shouldn't get any kind of errors because of the statements that we created. As we can see, Visual Basic is not running anymore. So let's just try this again. I'm going to go back and forth, sheet 1, sheet 2, and then sheet 1. So right here we didn't get any kind of errors because within the loop we put if the active sheet is no longer sheet 1, we just exit the procedure and don't do anything else. But that concludes this portion of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.